Induc No-Limit is one of the latest Adventys innovations, a unique and powerful technology that ease and maximize the layout of your kitchen space. The range is made up of 3 formats, 4, 8 or 16 coils of 1 or 2 kW each. This one is the 16 zones version that can go up to 32 kW of total power and 250 degrees per zone. But with Induc No-Limit you can also cook at low power thanks to a startup at 25 watt or 30 degrees. This large cooking surface permits you to dispose a large number of pans of different size and shape. You can multiply the cooking modes by configuring each zone independently or not. These 2 symbols represent your cooking zones. The black colored ones show you which one you are configuring with this part of the control panel. You can start up the 4 zones individually or simultaneously. Press the global selection key of the 4 zones to start up them together. Use the knob to adjust settings. If you want to set each zone individually, press the selection key of one zone and turn the knob to adjust power. With Induc No-Limit, you can switch from a power setting to a temperature setting mode. This red light indicates you which one is set. Thanks to the independent setting, you can prefer a power cooking on one zone and a more precise cooking in degree on another. Another function is that you can save 3 configurations. To this end, you just have to set the 4 zones in a configuration you wish to memorize. Then press the M key. The 3 numbered LEDs above start blinking. You now have to select one of the program number using the knob. Without any action on your part for 3 seconds, the new configuration will be memorized. To call a saved configuration, simply press the M key to select one of the 3 saved programs using the knob.